Go over our course description here. Here it is for an advising session, okay? An advising session. Uh, it's one-on-one with myself, John McKeag, okay? An advising session. You're gonna set it up yourself. Once you make the donation, you're gonna get a link. You're gonna get an email that comes to the email that you give, okay? And there'll be a link in there, and you hit the link and you schedule your Zoom appointment that you and I will be having. And it will record automatically, not for others or anything like that. We don't keep the information or anything like that. It's just you were emailed a link just for yourself, okay? So that if, so you don't have to take notes or anything. You can take notes, but you're going to have that link to the video that of our chat on Zoom. You can rewatch it as many times as you need to, just to get any information you need, okay? And really, I kind of get everything done in a half hour, and so some people do get the hour time, but really, uh, what we found is, you see, because you could get a 60-minute or a 30-minute, but I really recommend that you get a 30-minute one probably just to see if we can, work it out then, because I find we get a lot done in 30 minutes for most people. If you get a big situation, some people have gotten an hour session and so on. But remember, two sessions come with the McKag Mastery Trust. So, use those first. Don't go uh, purchase another session. Use your two free sessions that come with it, okay? If you have questions about how to use them or anything, we're always available. Contact at liberty8academy.org. All right. And it's just 101. There's nothing outside. It's just you and I on Zoom. You're going to have questions. I'm just like, okay, is this so and so? Great. Hey, John McKeag here. And how can I help you? And then we just jump into the questions and we go right at it. Uh, there's never been a case of, you stumped me or something like that. No, no. This is basic information, and it's just these sessions are really good for, okay, that's the course, that's the information. I get how that all works. And then sometimes people are like, well, how does this work in my life with this, and that? Ask the questions. I'll tell you, it's really going to be a lot simpler than you think, okay? And that's why you only need, at most 2 half-hour sessions. We put it in there to be generous because, well, we want to make sure you're successful, obviously. But once you get your trust open and learn how to build credit, then go ahead and get in the mentor program. But if you really want that advice, this is the way to get it. You and I, one on one. All right. I look forward to it.